Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about the repair function in Audacity. The repair function can be used to sort out tiny blips in your audio. Yes, that's a technical term. On this piece of audio you can hear a tiny imperfection, which in this case isn't actually a problem. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. But somewhere else it might be. Once you've found the location, you need to zoom right in. You can see this waveform is quite jagged. Not that that's always a problem. What you have to do is highlight that small piece of audio, go into Effects and select Repair. It repairs it by making it more like the audio around it. At least that's what it seems to do to me. A more technical person could probably give you a more technical explanation. All I can tell you is that it works pretty well. I know I keep on saying tiny bit, but I want to hammer this home. Because it really is. If you select too much audio, it'll simply tell you you cannot use this function. Okay, if I play back the audio now, it sounds smoother. I'll flip between the two so you can hear the difference. Yes, it's a tiny change, but that is what this function is for. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.